This year, the UK supermarket Marks and Spencer starts an initiative called Little Garden, where if you spent more than £20 on your shopping, then you were rewarded with a mini seedling kit. And I got a chili pepper because I'd never tried to grow one before, and so it'll be a nice addition to my garden. They actually had a range of fruits and vegetables and flowers, but you know, I was already growing carrots and other things, so let's do a chili pepper. The kit consisted of seeds, a biodegradable pot and a lump of dried soil, and there are really copious notes on the back of the kit, so you felt that you were assisted throughout the whole growing process. So it was pretty easy really. You pour water on top of the dried soil and that will start to disintegrate within whatever bowl you use, and you just watch it grow. And grow it did. It literally expanded so much, and you can see this time lapse where it just keeps growing and growing. It's crazy. Once the soil tablet has expanded, you then just break it apart and mush it up so you have all the soil ready, and that's when you can go and plant the seeds in the soil. And you do everything within the biodegradable pot. So you fill the pot up with the soil that's now broken apart, and you place the seed bag within it and then bury the seed mat or bag within the soil. Yeah, it's pretty easy actually, and definitely good for new beginners in gardening like myself, so that's one reason why I was really keen to have this. Within the first week, the first few seedlings appeared, which was exciting and right on track with the timeline the seed kit had. Then after about a few more weeks, the plant began to get bigger and I decided it was time to plant out because I didn't want it to outgrow the pot and then just ruin. Funny enough, plant out day was during a heat wave. It was 29 degrees in England, so I figured the perfect time for the plant to get loads of sunlight and flourish and just, you know, benefit really. I did my usual method of mixing perlite within my soil to facilitate proper aeration within the soil and proper filtration of the water from soil to plant roots. A month passed since I'd begun Little Garden until now, so I actually forgot that the pot was biodegradable. So when I was trying to mash the plant out, I forgot that there was a seed mat within there. So you're actually meant to plant the biodegradable pot within your bigger pot and then put soil on top of it, which I'd forgotten to do, but I was doing it now, so no harm done. I then just buried, I buried the pot within loads of soil, and I made sure to water it so that it didn't just get burnt out within the heat wave and it actually survived and flourished. And yeah, let's see if my little garden will come to fruition at some point, which should be exciting.